All right, here's the garage. If you can believe it, this was filled to the top with stuff. And the bottom. And all up here. We left a couple things because my grandma bakes and she needs lots of sugar, so she'll keep that. But all this was filled. All of that. On top of here, this little corner was gross and disgusting. And wow, top of the fridge. Just everything completely filled to the brim, and we cleaned it today. The last bag to go into the garbage pile. Garbage pile update. It's way bigger. Here's a closer look.